Rydebruk. And hello, day 11 has begun, but very late on day 11. I think the time is 11 or something, but just as we planned. And thank you, Marit, for hosting us this lovely house. We thought we were going to get a little room, and we have a whole house with kitchen and everything. So now we're heading, the first stop we're going to do is in Kinnared, I think. We have a store there. I don't think we need anything, but we're going to stop by there.
Some cream cheese, because we bought some bread yesterday, so cream cheese so we can eat up the bread.
And if you wonder what we ate yesterday, we're going to show you that right now. We're having the time of our lives. Look at this. Potato, chicken, béarnaise sauce, broccoli. And some work, of course. But this is great.
And we got chocolate ice cream, mud cake ice cream, and strawberries, and coffee, of course. And I did go for the same, because Anna decided as dessert. And coffee, and still working on the computer, a lot of hours of work. So, a great day of working and relaxing here. And now I think the time is, wait for it, she's 5 o'clock, so nice one. So day 11. Well, this is day 10, tomorrow is day 11, this video is day 11. Can you manage that?
The beautiful river. You saw what we ate, it was delicious. All that ice cream, we ate the whole box. It was good. And we did so much work. Dan did all the videos that you are going to watch now, and I answered mail, all the comments, did the laundry. Oh, we did great.
Yeah,
it was a long night.
Yeah,
long evening.
Yeah. Shave, cut the beard and everything. So, oh, and we fell asleep at 9 o'clock in the evening, and we were completely exhausted. And then we only walked 10 kilometers yesterday, but all the working was even not done, because it was still uploading, and thumbnails and everything was done this morning by Anna. So it was a long working day. So, but now we are free. So now we just kind of walk for a couple of days again.
And we think in 5 days again.
Yeah.
We need a working day.
Yeah, maybe.
At least not more than 5 days.
No. Because more working days means less time with the computer. It goes faster.
Yeah.
Now I see the sign. Hultabruk.
And now we are in the forest, following Hallandsleden again. And we have the hiking poles out, because we are in the terrain, but the dots are everywhere.
Yeah. Is this forest bathing?
Yeah, has to be.
Yeah. Then I'm swimming along here.
Swim, my dear, swim. And here we are in Kinnared. So now we're going to the store. Maybe some ice cream. Lunchtime from the store over there.
What What did you cook up?
I have not cooked up anything. You cooked up. We have
Bag salad.
bag salad. Yeah.
Yeah, with cucumber and carrots and We bought ourselves a potato salad and cream cheese and ham.
And we had the bread
for
since
yesterday.
yesterday.
And a big
Water.
Yeah,
with the raspberries and rhabarbers.
Yeah. So super nice. How was the taste? And feta cheese. I
Delicious.
forgot the feta cheese.
Good.
Yeah. I really enjoy feta cheese in a salad, but someday when I'm out of ketchup and honey, I want to buy the red sauce, the Thousand Island sauce. I'm longing for that one. Yeah?
It was good.
Yeah, sandwich good, potato salad good, and
we walked for almost 3 hours.
yeah. And that felt, it was hard.
Yeah, it was heavy today.
It was heavy, but when we looked at the phone and said we walked 3 hours, it was, oh, so we feel a little bit proud of ourselves. It didn't feel like we had walked for 3 hours.
No, but the bag is so heavy.
Yeah, but it extra filled up. We got, we didn't know about Ella. We did know about this store, but we didn't think about it. So we have extra bananas and orange and everything that we could have bought here. So that was a little bit wrong of us, but like I said before, I really enjoy to have some extra food with us.
We have to have that to our own meal. And we have to feel good in the body.
Yeah. Let's eat, my friend. Let's eat. I'm super hungry. Dessert.
Ice cream. I took 1 dime. And you take a tip top.
I took what Anna buying for me.
Well, I choose for you.
Yeah.
I am in Jönköpings län.
Ah, land number 3.
Yeah.
So now we left Halland and Skåne behind us. And Jönköping, here we go.
Yeah. And I have to put down my bag.
Why?
Because I have pain in my lower back.
That's bad.
I don't know what, if someone knows
Too
the
much.
issue maybe.
Too much relaxing, I think.
No, I've had
Almost
it for a few
24 hours you're just laying on the sofa.
I've had this a few days ago as well. Right in here. In one spot. And it's not ischias, but I think it's I have no idea what it can be. Old.
Pipias, I think it is.
Pipias.
Yes. Pipias or winias. I don't know the name.
Okay, I have pipias in the lower back.
Yeah. No, we did good. It's a tough walk. There are a lot of asphalt today. A little
We were
forest
in the
forest in the beginning, but now the last 5-6 kilometers just asphalt. But a nice one, but it's black out, so we're waiting. Is the rain coming?
You can see the clouds.
Yeah, everywhere, but
I don't know.
Still no rain. We even thought when we ate lunch 1 hour ago that now the rain is here, but no,
not yet.
It didn't come.
So now I think we have 1 hour left to go. I have seen a nice what's the name?
Lake. Little swimming place.
Yeah.
With some
lake,
tables and so on. So if we had the energy, we will walk there, but we don't know because.
Yeah, but I think it's just 1 hour, so I think. Yeah.
Depends on the rain, I say.
Yeah. But I have myself an ice cream, so maybe I have the stamina.
Yes, you have.
Bye bye, Hallandsland. There we have the tent, and here we have the shower and laundry mat. Was it cold?
Oh, nice. Cold, yes, but it's okay.
We have a grey sky. But when I am on this, what's the name of this one? Easy float. I'm almost a bit seasick. Are we going up?
Yeah.
Yes, so bye-bye.
Don't film me. The tent is there and everything is ready. The clothes are up and drying after we have cleaned them.
I'm drying in the rain.
And these chairs we found over there, and the table I found over there as well, so we just borrowed them. It looks like they haven't been used for a year or two maybe. And there was the bridge we walked out and took a swim. And coffee boiling up, bananas, so only bananas and
our little bag with nuts.
yeah, nuts, raisin, mangoes, 2 cashew nuts, and what's the other nut?
Cashew nuts and almond.
Almond, yeah.
But this was not where we were headed, actually. We were headed to another beach,
Yeah.
a small bit over there. But this one, we couldn't pass this one.
No.
It was so perfect.
And a little bit windy here as well, so a little bit of flying around here, but for now no mosquitoes and so.
No?
Maybe we sit here and drink coffee for an hour or so, and then we go to bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just have this dancing.
Yeah. Dancing something. I don't know if the camera can pick them up. Oh, maybe. So, end of day 11.
Yep, just went 18 kilometers today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we started late. At lunchtime we started, 11 o'clock or something like that. So, and we worked this morning and everything. So, a good day.
Yeah, it's a good day anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. And tomorrow, we have no idea.
No, we really don't. We have full bags with food and everything, so we don't need to stop to do some grocery shopping.
And we have water.
Yeah, and we have water as well. A lot of water,
Yeah.
so that's nice as well.
And I can see on the map is lakes the whole way now. So
Yeah.
now it's no problem to get laundry, wash,
Yeah.
drinking water.
Yeah.
Now we have everything.
And I think I'm going to jump in the water again because it was so nice.
The temperature was amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So not cold at all. So I'm super happy. But again, look at this place, guys. It's so beautiful.
We just talked to each other out on the pier. We have been so lucky with the weather.
Yeah.
With the weather, the spots,
Well,
the lady that we just run in. Yeah, we just Marit.
Yeah.
Marit was her name.
Marit, yeah.
We just run into her and asked her, "You know any bed and breakfast?" "Oh, I have one. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Stay with me."
Actually, I have. So,
Yeah, she was amazing.
yeah, super lucky. We got so much luck here and hard work as well.
Yeah,
Because
of course.
we have worked hard. But now the coffee is boiling, so now I have no time for you. So bye bye. See you tomorrow. Thumb up. Make a nice comment, and I will answer them all when we have electricity.
I hear the thunder.
Me too.
Yeah.
So if we comes to thunder, we will hook you up with thunder
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Or maybe we make a 5-minute video only thunder and
Only
rain.
thunder,
yeah,
yeah.
would be nice. So bye bye. See you.
Bye.